Welcome to my channel. This is a tutorial on how to install box braids. Here you have the box braid. You're going to take your latch hook, put it through your braid, attach the hair, close your hook, and just draw it through. Slide your hair down, pull the end of your braid into the hook, close the hook, draw it through the loop. There you have one box braid. I'm going to do another one. You just draw your hair, hook through the hair, attach the loop, draw it back out, slide it down, attach your end, pull it through the loop, and secure it to your hair. You can see that. See? Again, bring your needle through your crochet, through your braided hair, close the hook, bring it through, attach the hair, your end of your hair to the hook, close it, and just draw it through. Okay. It's very simple to do. Let's start it again. Okay, we'll start at the back of the hair. Put your hook through, close it, bring your loop down, bring it through the hair, and just draw it through. Do it one more time. Hoop through the hair, draw it through. Make sure your hoop is closed. Your hook is closed. Bring it through. Latch it and draw it through. Okay, ladies, I'm going to repeat this process here, and I'll be back when I'm halfway done. Okay, ladies, I'm back, almost completed. I thought I had more than enough here, but you definitely need every pack that I braided. I braided about 7 or 8 packs, and I think I'm still gonna have to put one pack in. I got half a pack done on my 7th pack, so this would be 6.5 packs here. Okay, this is what you want to do. See that? That's what you don't want your hair to be twisted up. You want nice, straight, even plaits. Take that out. Put your needle upward when you put it in. Make sure the latch is closed. Draw it through. And hook your tail in so you could just bring it through the loop. Then you're just going to secure it onto your braid. Do not put the needle in this way. because it's going to make your braid, it's going to make the hook come upside down, and it won't look like a bad box braid. So what you want to do, I'm rushing, is just slide it up, attach your hair, close the hook, bring it through, make sure the whole loop is on there, close your hook, and draw it through. Now I'm just hoping this gets me through the day. I know I will definitely have to work on this some more, but this is just to hold me over because I had to take the previous hairstyle out. Had it in for about a good month. I was trying to go for a month and a half. And I started, the hair started to sweat and everything. So it felt like it was getting ready to lock up. So I took it out. Okay, excuse me. Okay, just draw it through. There we go. And make sure it's through the hoop. Attach your hair, close the hook, and slide your hair through the loop. There we go. So 44 and a 51. Okay, ladies, I'll be back with the finished look.